Welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial on how to use the trim command. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the step-by-step process of using the trim command effectively. Let's get started. Begin by opening your drawing in AutoCAD. You can create a new drawing or open an existing one from your files. To start using the trim command, select the objects that you want to trim. You can use the selection tools in AutoCAD or simply click on the desired objects in your drawing. There are a few ways to access the trim command in AutoCAD. You can type TR in the command line and press Enter. Another way is to find the trim command button on the Modify panel in the Home tab. Lastly, you can right-click on the selected objects and choose the trim option from the context menu. After accessing the trim command, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the cutting edges. These cutting edges are the lines, arcs, or circles that will be used to trim the selected objects. Click on the desired cutting edges to proceed. Trimming the objects. Once the cutting edges are selected, AutoCAD will trim the objects accordingly, removing any overlapping or unwanted segments. The objects will be trimmed up to the cutting edges, resulting in cleaner lines and curves. Repeat the process as needed. You can repeat the trim command as many times as necessary to trim multiple objects within your drawing. You have successfully learned how to use the trim command in AutoCAD. Practice using the trim command regularly to become more proficient in AutoCAD. If you have any further questions or need assistance with any other AutoCAD features, feel free to explore our other tutorials or seek additional help. Happy designing!